hope you enjoyed that. That was an awesome cake. I want you to go practice yours. Send me a mail, send your own cake to me. Let me see what you were able to do. Fantastic cake, isn't it? Awesome cake, wonderful cake. All right, and like you can see, we did like the 3 twists. The twist with the lemon curd incorporated, the twist with adding the lemon curd onto the cake itself. I mean, it was an awesome cake. I hope you go back and try yours. We have many other classes online. I want you to go to the homepage www.mixandbakeschool.com. Click on the homepage, scroll down. Anywhere we say click to find out about our online classes, just click. Any information, any questions, send me a mail to info@mixandbakeschool.com. All right. Ike Olubiobako again, the Chief Responsibility Officer and the Creative Director of Mix and Bake. And remember, online classes are at your convenience, at your timing, at your space. You don't have to be restricted to a certain location. You can take it all over the world. All right then. See you in another lesson. Bye-bye.